This is our room at the Caribe Hilton in San Juan, Puerto Rico. We're headed out on a Disney cruise tomorrow, and this hotel has great reviews, so we're gonna check it out. This is the bathroom. It's a vanity with extra towels, soap, shower tub combo. They have shampoo and conditioner. Here we have the closet with a safe, ironing board, luggage rack, a nice little Cuisinart coffee machine. And down here we have ice bucket, glasses, and a refrigerator. And scanning over the room this way, we have 2 queen beds. Nice large TV, 6 drawers right underneath, a workspace, nice little chair. And I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but here's our little patio. We have 2 chairs and a table. And then we are on the beach side of the resort. So tomorrow morning when we wake up, we should have a gorgeous view of the beach. But for right now, we have a gorgeous view of San Juan. Coming back through here. And this is our room.
This is Jenny with Straightaway Travel. Please keep Straightaway Travel in mind when you book your next vacation. We don't charge any planning fees and are here to help you every step of the way have the perfect vacation. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
Make sure to hit like and subscribe and go to www.straightawaytravel.com for all your vacation needs at 0 cost to you. We make your vacation perfect. You pay nothing more.